This is the world with compassion. Imagine the world not defined by borders, but by bridges of understanding. A world where the suffering one filled by all, and the joy of you is a celebration of every human heart. This is the world with compassion. It is our grasp. Compassion is not mere pity, it is empty action. This is a silent recognition that we are fundamentally connected. That the person struggling on the street, the refugee feeling conflict, and the Khalid facing a hidden battle are all a reflection of ourselves. When we lead with compassion, judgment replaced by curiosity, and fear give us a courage, and competition yields to collaboration. This we is actively and this is calls us actively listen to offer a helping hand not out of obligation but a deep need share of human from a deep need sense of shared humanities. This single act choosing choosing to see through others' eyes is the powerful revolutionary lasting peace.